Namaskaram everyone. Today I am going to Jatayu Park. So it has the biggest world sculpture and we're going to see that. And earlier there used to be a lot of adventure activities there, but right now because of COVID, those all have been blocked. Not blocked, closed. Okay. So it will take 1 hour from Trivandrum to reach over there, and we are on the way. Bye. Oh, hey, how are you guys? So on the way to Jatayu Park, if you want to have some awesome dosha, just go to the Kamal restaurant where you get a big pyramid. Don't stop. Cameraman, sorry, camera go. Okay everyone, so we are at Jatayu Park. So this is the parking place. You need to pay 30 rupees to park. And inside, I think 236 rupees the entry fee per person. That you need to pay in cash. And then another 236 for some other reason. I think it's for some cable car ride. That you can pay with card. So let's go. Walk with me, camera girl. Show the place. This is a proper vlog. I am paying you so much money. Why are you not working? So things that are usually available, but as you can see, presently not available because of COVID. That's sad. Okay, so we are inside the store where we have to wait. We have to take a ticket for 500 rupees with the GST 590 for the cable car ride. And then they are marketing us to have more food, but I won't buy. Okay, now we are going to the ropeway. Okay everyone, we just came out of the Sri Ram temple. It's a magnificent consecrated Sri Ram is there. It's 10 feet tall. I haven't taken a video of it. I suggest you come and see it. I don't want to show it in camera. It's a very beautiful statue, and there's a certain offering that you can do over there. So there are a lot of monkeys. Sri Ram's army is there. So if you want to feed Sri Ram's army, it's 500 rupees per day, and one time it's 250 rupees. And so definitely it's a very beautiful temple. A lot of works are going on. So, and there is one Balu Anna who is sitting in front of the temple. When you come there, you have to meet and talk to him. He's a yogi, I think. So definitely talk to him. He has a very nice smile, and you should ask him how he came there, and he will tell you a very beautiful story. And now back to Jatayu. So the significance of Jatayu is, I was reading the board over there. So he's the epitome of women's protection. So the story goes like this: when Sita was abducted by Lord Ravana and he was flying in his Viman, Indian technology was there. Okay, that time we had Vimans then. It's true, it's a fact. And that time, to save Sita Ma, Jatayu flew with his large wings and he attacked Ravana. And Ravana felt he couldn't, defeat Jatayu, so he had a special weapon, something, I forgot its name. And with that he slashed Jatayu's wing, and apparently he crashed over here. But at that time Sita gave him a boon that you will not die till you convey Lord Ram my message that I have been abducted by Ravana in this direction. So this is supposed to be the place where he landed and crash landed. And there is also a pond from where he drank water, and it never goes dry over here. So we just show them. It's a very beautiful sculpture. I think it's the biggest sculpture in the world. Quite beautiful, and below it also there is some amphitheater and many stuff, but it's slowly opening. So, yeah, do visit the place. It's very nice. You can spend some 1 or 2 hours easily over here. So the pond where Jatayu drank water from. It's covered. As you can see, they have kept a diya over there. So, yeah. Oh my god. Jatayu. Guys, welcome rain. So now we are not able to go to our car.